Part of what we do when we retrofit a machine is try to optimize your process with our toolkit. What we've done on this multi-cam router is developed an interface that will allow your company to easily onboard a new operator, give them a couple of operations to do, and get them up and running this machine very quickly. Part of the way we do that is with our tool library management. You can see right now I've got tool 2 selected. It's very easy to change your tool pocket and measure for a new tool. So let's first go ahead and change to tool 1. We're automatically going to go park tool number 2 and go grab tool number 1. From the same screen, we can very easily calculate our tool length and then manage that automatically in a tool library. So we're going to go ahead and auto measure our tool length. We're going to move to our included automatic tool setter, move down to that touch probe and measure that tool length, calculate the offset, and automatically save that in your tool library. Another thing we've done to optimize this interface for our customer is integrate a barcode scanner that allows an operator to automatically load programs into the machine. You can see here we've got a print generated from our partner Cabinet Vision that's got a visual layout of the nest of parts and a barcode. All the operator has to do is simply hit load, grab their barcode scanner, go ahead and load that in, and we've got it loaded in our interface. You can see here, you can validate on our toolpath screen the shape of the nest that's been uploaded. Make sure you're ready to run, hit cycle start. Another really cool option for this is you can get a digital version of this screen and eliminate the paper completely. We can mount a secondary screen here that automatically loads a PDF, allows you to do the same scanning with the barcode, same loading of your G-code program.